Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Let's Crack GRC. I'm your host, Audit Partner, here to guide you step by step on the journey to becoming a GRC analyst. Why GRC? Governance, risk, and compliance is a fast growing field with tons of opportunities. But if you are just starting out, it can feel confusing and overwhelming. I'm right there with you. This channel is all about real practical guidance, no fluff as we learn together, build skills, earn certifications, and prepare to land that first GRC job in just 5 to 6 months. You will find study tips, the resource reviews, certification preparations, interview strategies, and monthly progress updates. Everything to keep you motivated and on track. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications to join our growing community of GRC beginners aiming for success. Share your questions and challenges in the comments. Let's crack this together. So, I'm your audit partner and this is Let's Crack GRC.